Hey guys, Dr. Oscar with Revolution Health Center, and today I want to talk about a question that I get a lot in the office, and it has to do with low back pain, and it's why am I experiencing leg pain with my low back pain? And it's a good question, and it has to do with the way our bodies are structurally built and wired. So it is just based on anatomy and physiology, and it has to do with the fact that the nerves that come out of the low back do go directly down and into your legs. So if I get a little more specific with the discussion here, what's going on is our low back should have a nice forward-facing 45-degree curve, just like this model is showing right here. So in this position, there's no excessive pressure or tension or stress on your spine and on your nervous system or even on the structure here, the discs. And that's a good thing. That's a good, healthy spine. But what happens is traumas, falls, accidents, you name it, life really is the best answer I've given, causes that structure to shift and to change. So what happens in this, it changes the mechanics of your spine and begins to create stress and tension in areas that weren't really designed to carry weight. For one thing, discs are in here as cushions in between the vertebrae in your spine. And they're designed to help create space for the nerves that are coming out of your low back and going down into your legs. But what happens is when you lose the curve, that starts to put more weight forward on the discs. And again, they're not supposed to carry weight. And they start to carry more and more weight, and they start to get compressed and degenerate. And this is where we talk about disc degeneration and wear and tear. And that begins to lose that space. Your body begins to lose the space over time. It starts to compress the nerves coming out of the low back. Not only that, any sort of rotations or twists, if you have misalignments, is what we classically say in chiropractic, that can pinch and irritate nerves and cause inflammation. That, I mean, think about it. These nerves are the ones that bundle together, travel down, even come out of the sciatic notch, and go down through the buttock and down into your legs. So a lot of times with sciatica, it actually is a low back issue that's causing your sciatica. And of course, sciatica is that sensation that you get into the buttock down. Sometimes it'll go to the knee and stop there. Sometimes it'll wrap all the way down and around the foot. And it is a debilitating pain. I had a bout of it when I was in school. Took some work to get over it, but I was able to do it through chiropractic care and proper therapeutics and rehabilitation. But it does involve figuring out what's going on with your structure and why are you experiencing. So if you're experiencing low back pain with sciatica, with sensations going down in your leg, get to a physician, get to somebody who can actually look at your structure and see exactly what's going on and find out what steps are necessary to strengthen, to stabilize your spine, your nervous system, get pressure off those nerves so you can actually start getting relief. And not only that, increasing your quality of life. So if this is you and you'd like to look into the new patient process in our office, go ahead and click below. That'll bring you to the next page where we'll be able to capture your name, your phone number, your email, and I'll have my staff follow up with you to set up a new patient special that we're offering through this video here. And what that'll do is that'll give you the opportunity to come in. We'll do some evaluation, some testing to see if you have a chiropractic issue, and if you do, what steps are necessary to actually get relief and get you the best quality of life that we possibly can. And of course, if you know somebody that needs help as well too, please share this video with them as well too. All right, guys, I'll keep putting out these videos, hopefully educating and empowering, and we'll see you in the office.